I scored a 90.75 in CLAT and a 127 out of 115 A-Rate.
When you started preparing for law entrance exams, where were you academically and mentally?
I always wanted to go into the field of law. I've always liked debating as well.
What was the most challenging part of CLAT and A-Late preparation?
I came for a 2-day demo class. The teachers are very helpful. The small batch size helps them concentrate on every person individually.
So you took a 2-year long program instead of a short-term crash course or a 1-year program.
I have done so many mocks in these 2 years, which is not possible in a 1 month or 2 month crash course period of time.
So how many mocks did you take approximately?
Around 90 mocks.
How did you manage to prepare for both the exams, CLAT and A-Late? What are the similarities and differences?
There's a little voice in my brain कि maths है, थोड़ा डर लगना चाहिए.
जब हम माउंटेन पीक पे चढ़ जाते हैं हमें लगता है दोनों आसानी था. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट मुझे बोलते हैं कि पहले हम बोर्ड की तैयारी कर लेते हैं उसके बाद हम एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का देखेंगे.
I think 11th is the best time to start for CLAT. Both exams and academics go hand in hand.
ये है आपके लिए iPad 11th जनरेशन. अगर आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन दोबारा शुरू करनी हो, क्या आप लाइफ शिल्प एकेडमी को चुनोगे?
Sir, Life Shelf Academy को तो आप choose करूँगा obviously because
With us is Vivan Chaturvedi, who has been our 2-year batch student for CLAT, CUET, and IPMAT. Welcome, Vivan.
thank you, sir.
Vivan has been a student of 2-year program and he has shown tremendous persistence and was hardworking. I can say that. Because of which he has scored very well in both CLAT and A-Late. He has been one of the rank holders in the exams. So, Vivan, can you share your CLAT and A-Late score for the audience?
So I scored a 90.75 in CLAT and a 127 out of 115 A-Late.
What does the score mean to you?
So this was a very great achievement for me since I was preparing for this exam for the last 2 years and I've always wanted to become a lawyer and to do justice to people. So this was a great achievement for me and my parents are also very proud of me. So that's also a plus point for that.
So we want bright people in the field of law who can work for delivering justice to people. So I'm glad that you are going to be one of them.
Thank you, sir.
Vivan, take us back 2 years. When you started preparing for law entrance exams, where were you academically and mentally?
So after completing my 10th boards, I wasn't that particular about law as I was towards engineering. Since in today's society, as well as in my immediate family, engineering is more preferred than doing arts or commerce, etc. But I always wanted to go into the field of law and because it just called out to me for some reason. I've always liked debating as well. I've competed in many MUNs. So this was always what I wanted to do. So I convinced my parents to let me choose arts as my subjects. And then my dad helped me join Life Shelf Academy. So we started the preparation for CLAT and A-Late from that day.
So when I was doing my 12th, people were not aware of many options, especially in humanities and commerce field. Commerce में तो फिर भी था, humanities में बहुत कम था. But now things have changed. Right? One can be as good financially by choosing humanities as he can be by choosing science. And it is very important that parents and students know that.
Yeah.
At the very beginning, what was the most challenging part of CLAT and A-Late preparation?
English has always been easy for me, but what was most challenging for me was GK. Anything under the sun and everything under the sun is part of GK. So that always was a challenge for me. Also, preparing for 2 exams together is a little hectic, but it was fruitious in the end as well.
So, how did you prepare for GK and how did Life Shelf Academy help you in doing that?
So, Sharad sir was the GK teacher himself and I remember him taking 3 classes in a week for GK and providing us every week's GK per week's GK, which obviously helped a lot. And then he also, towards the end, he also provided some sheets such as the important judgments for A-Lit, and those things really helped me.
So questions came from what we taught you?
Quite a lot, yeah. So Sharad sir's intuition, I might say, is very good.
Thank you. So there are many institutes for preparation of law entrance exams. Why did you choose Lifeship Academy particularly?
The coaching style called out to me. I came for a 2-day demo class, and Sharad sir was one of the teachers who took GK and legal in that week. And the small batch size was also very good thing, which is not prevalent in other coaching institutes such as etc. So that was helpful, and the teachers are very helpful. The small batch size helps them concentrate on every person individually, and you can obviously reach out to them for all problems. So that is also very helpful.
So related to what we were talking, so when you reached out to faculty members for doubt sessions or some other resource, what was the response?
So, sir, I still remember around a week before CLAT, I was quite upset and in a conundrum कि मेरा हो पाएगा नहीं. So I reached out to Shreya ma'am, and then we talked for quite a long time कि how I have been preparing for a long time, and जो भी होना होगा हो ही जाएगा, कहीं ना कहीं तो हो ही जाएगा. So that, and she provided a lot of motivation as well. So that was quite a good thing. It was comforting for me. So because of that, CLAT also went well, and after CLAT I went to ALET. I knew कि मेरा कहीं ना कहीं तो हो ही जाएगा, तो ALET के लिए I wasn't that frightful as I was for CLAT. So that was also quite helpful.
So you took a 2-year long program instead of a short-term crash course or a 1-year program. What was your reason behind going for the long program?
So many people think that CLAT, CUET, IPMAT is a short course that can be done in 1 month or 2 months. It's not like that. I prepared for 2 entire years, which obviously helped me get a good rank. But along with that, the relationship with the teachers also improved, so that was a good thing. And I gained experiences from mocks. I have done so many mocks in these 2 years, which is not possible in a 1 month or 2 month crash course period of time. That also helped me quite a lot to gain my confidence and gain marks. So
how many mocks did you take approximately?
So I think in this year I've taken around 20 mocks, and last year also I took around, I think, 12, 13 mocks, and along with that there were also practice tests and online mocks which on the website, so I took them as well. So around 90 to 100 mocks.
So this is an important piece of information for everyone preparing for this exam, because it's a national level exam, competition is high. And you have to practice 80 to 90 mocks, 80 to 100 mocks in order to be comfortable while doing the actual exam. Can you provide a glimpse of a typical day in your preparation journey?
So I would rather give an example of around 2 months before the CLAT exam, since that was when I actually got serious, when it hit me कि CLAT आ रहा है, finally आ चुका है, and I have to do something in this. So I woke up around, I think, 8 or 8:30, which is quite a normal time for anyone to wake up. It wasn't like I'm waking up at 4 a.m. to study for CLAT, etc. I woke up, I did my usual things, had breakfast, got ready around 10, and then came here to the study center to either study or do mocks. And then I had a break around 1 or 2 for lunch, etc. And then I studied a little bit more. Then I went home, and then I did a couple mocks before sleeping. So that was my study schedule.
You talked about study center. So do you come to the study center for self-study? Can you give us a little more information on that?
So yeah, the study center is quite a helpful thing. You can come here to study on your own, and the teachers are always there to provide assistance to you. So yeah, I used to come here quite regularly, almost every day, even when there were no classes scheduled. और सर तो थे ही, मतलब शेड्यूल अगर नहीं भी होती थी तो शेड्यूल कर देते थे सर. जैसे वेंसडेज को सर 1 hour 2 hour की क्लास लेते थे जीके के लिए. सो या.
So how did you manage to prepare for both the exams, CLAT and ALET? What are the similarities and differences that test takers should know?
So there are quite a lot of similarities in CLAT and ALET. First of all, the English section is common in both of them. The logical section is common in both of them. I think ALET is easier because there is no maths involved. I'm not afraid of maths per se, but there is always a little thing in my, there's a little voice in my brain कि maths है, थोड़ा डर लगना चाहिए. So that CLAT में तो होता है around 12 questions for maths, so that was a little tough for me. But other than that, they're mostly the same. Obviously, ALET is a longer exam, but the duration is the same. So you have to keep the time in mind for ALET. CLAT में you've got 1 minute for every question, and ALET you have to give a little less time, 40 seconds, 50 seconds for each question. So that's the thing. And बाकी तो English वगैरह का syllabus almost same ही होता है. Logical के questions ज़्यादा आते हैं, which can be a little difficult.
इसमें ज़्यादा आते हैं
ALET में.
ALET में.
So that can be a little difficult as well. So yeah.
That credit goes to you for working passionately towards it, and some credit goes to, of course, your mentors and teachers.
A lot of credit goes to them, sir.
Did you feel that the mentors and teachers at Lightship Academy understood your individual strengths and weaknesses and guided you in a manner that you required?
So obviously, I mean, I was here for 2 years, so I already had quite a lot of relationship with all the teachers, and they already knew my strengths and weaknesses. I was there for almost every class except for attending MUNs, which you were obviously quite angry about. But other than that, I was almost there for almost every weekend. So the teachers knew what my strengths and weaknesses were quite well. So, and towards the end, there were several classes as well. I mean, we requested for classes and the teachers kept classes for us as well. Maths की बहुत सारी classes हुई थी, GK की बहुत सारी classes हुई थी, because we were a little afraid of GK because anything can come again. So yeah, so everybody knew what our strengths and weaknesses were.
I was against MUN because मैं चाहता हूँ मैं actually United Nations में जाके काम करूँ. आप International Court of Justice में जाओ. यहाँ पर time waste करने का क्या ही फायदा? Was there any phase during which your mark scores dropped and you felt demotivated?
So obviously there is a time when there is so much going on that obviously your mock scores will drop. I reached a point where I was scoring around 70s to 80s in mocks, which was a little unsatisfactory for me. So I was a little distraught with that. So I reached out to the teachers and they said कि paper थोड़े difficult हैं, ऐसा paper आएगा नहीं, but you have to try a little harder with this. So I put a little more time into my studies, and obviously my score gradually came to the equilibrium again, which was around 90-95. So
when your mark scores dropped, what was the role played by your mentors?
So they were like towards the end, questions तो मेरे से हो नहीं रहे थे. For example, almost in half the mocks there was a set caselet in quant कि मेरा हो नहीं रहा था. So I reached out to Pooja ma'am, I reached out to Pawan sir. So they helped me solve those problems, and we had a 3-hour long class towards the end as well, जहाँ पे हमारे जो भी difficulties थी क्वांट के अंदर दे वर सॉल्व. फिर जीके के अंदर शरद सर ने कराया था, क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी करा लिए थे. जो क्वेश्चंस हमसे नहीं बने थे वो शरद सर ने वापस कराए थे, जो न्यूज़ इंपॉर्टेंट थी. English के अंदर I did not face such a problem, but Shreya ma'am was always there to if there was any query, she was always there to help it out, help us with it. और बाकी सारे teachers भी, I mean, it was quite a good experience.
I'm glad that you had a good experience. In my interactions with students, बहुत सारे students मुझे बोलते हैं कि पहले हम बोर्ड की तैयारी कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का देखेंगे. ऐसा बहुत बोलते हैं. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि बोर्ड और एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी साथ में करनी चाहिए या नहीं? अगर करनी चाहिए तो उसकी स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होगी, और अगर नहीं करनी चाहिए तो क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए?
Sir, I think these both exams and academics go hand in hand. मैं 11th में था, but at that time I preferred academics more because I thought I had 1 year. Obviously towards the end I thought कि बहुत कम time था, मैं अगर उस time में पढ़ लेता तो better रहता. But still 11th में I focused more on academics and doing school work and projects etc. But in 12th मेरे को लगा कि मेरे को CLAT पे पहले focus करना चाहिए because boards again are in March and April. But CLAT is in December only. So obviously after CLAT you have got around 2-3 months to focus on academics only. So I thought कि पहले CLAT कर लेता हूँ, उसके बाद I can do academics. So I focused more on CLAT in 12th and more on academics in 11th. But again जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं थोड़े थोड़े क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं, जैसे इकोनॉमिक्स के काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस क्लैट से कोलाइड करते हैं, दे आर क्वाइट सिमिलर. ऐसे ही हिस्ट्री इज़ अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ क्लैट एंड नीलेट की प्रिपरेशन, सो दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन दिस.
यू आर सेइंग कि दिसंबर के बाद टाइम जो होता है उसमें बोर्ड प्रिपरेशन में स्टूडेंट लगा सकते हैं. जैसे अभी आप फ्री हो गए हो, यू कैन डिवोट ऑल योर टाइम टू बोर्ड प्रिपरेशन.
या
And if you're free from every other entrance exam. So you must be having friends who are studying, who are preparing for the same entrance exam as you. आपके हिसाब से उनकी जो जर्नी है उनके रिस्पेक्टिव इंस्टीट्यूशंस में जहाँ वो तैयारी कर रहे हैं विज़-अ-वी आपकी जर्नी, उसमें क्या डिफरेंस रहा?
So I have a couple friends who were preparing for the same exams as me, CLAT, ALET and SLAT, but all of them chose a 1-year program rather than a 2-year program. और एंड में आते आते मेरे से बोल ही रहे थे कि 2 ईयर ले लेना चाहिए था, तूने 2 ईयर लिया तो तेरा इतना बेटर स्कोर्स आ रहे हैं हमसे. एंड दे वर ऑल्सो क्वाइट फेड अप विद द इंस्टीट्यूट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स गोज टू and he was saying that the teachers don't respect him at all and they don't give attention to him because the batch size is quite large. They have around 40-45 students in one class. So obviously he was quite fed up with that. So he called out to me कि कैसे करना है, तू बोल. ये कहते हैं कि खुद से पढ़ाई करो, खुद से हो नहीं रही है. GK classes, they weren't taking GK classes for him as well. So I think कि Lifeship Academy is quite good in this area as well, ki they give you a good space to study by yourself, and they also like you have quite a good relationship, rapport with your teachers, so they know ki where you're lacking, so they obviously organize classes and doubt sessions ki aap kahan pe lack kar rahe ho, aapko khud doubt hai, aap kabhi bhi पूछ सकते हो. So I have reached out to Shreya ma'am and Sharad sir at like 10 or 11 in the night as well, sometimes even 12. So they're always online, they're always ready to help. So yeah.
जो बच्चे अभी क्लैट और एलिट की प्रिपरेशन शुरू करने वाले हैं उनको आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
I'd say be regular with your mocks because that is one of the most important things a person can do in preparing for CLAT and ALET. Mocks से काफ़ी questions उठ के आते हैं, in fact काफ़ी direct questions उठ के आते हैं, especially with GK जो, and obviously read newspapers. Newspapers से news जो है, it's obviously quite important for you to follow the current affairs. बहुत सारी न्यूज़, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ALET के अंदर 30 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फ्रॉम GK एंड करंट अफेयर्स, सो इट्स क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू कीप रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स, कीप योर सेल्फ अप टू डेट विद करंट अफेयर्स. क्लैट के अंदर भी अराउंड 20-24 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, सो दे हैव गॉट different sections. So you read newspapers, do mocks, and obviously focus on your studies as well. ये नहीं कि आप पूरा अपना studies छोड़ दो, academics पूरा छोड़ दो for CLAT preparation. Focus on your academics as well, but I think till December focus on CLAT and ALET more than your academics.
आपने करंट अफेयर्स एंड जीके की बात करी, तो आपको क्या क्या रिसोर्सेज मिल रहे थे उसकी प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेगुलर क्लासेस दैट वी हैड?
So first of all, ग्रुप पे डेली हमको न्यूज़लेटर मिलता था with around 6-7 newses along with questions, 1-liners, 2-liners, even MCQ questions. So that was quite helpful. Along with that, at the end of the month, there was a newsletter with around 30-40 questions and important news of the week. फिर उसके साथ साथ we had tests for every month's GK from those newsletters, and along with that we had videos on the YouTube channel. So there was quite a lot of resources for this. So this obviously helped a lot with the preparation.
In the preparation. वैसे हमने इस पे बात करी है, पर मैं चाहता हूँ अब इस पे थोड़ा और ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक हो जाओ कि सही समय क्या है क्लैट की प्रिपरेशन करने की.
So I think as soon as you pass your board, सबसे पहले तो डिसीजन जल्दी लो कि आपको क्या करना है, what your aim is in life. इंजीनियरिंग करनी है तो स्टार्ट JEE की कोचिंग, आप क्लैट करना है तो स्टार्ट लॉ की कोचिंग, क्लैट की कोचिंग, आपको कॉमर्स से कुछ करना है तो आप तभी शुरू कर दो. आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम टू स्टार्ट समथिंग विच यू हैव डन, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे आप completely focus on academics so you know how to study. अगर आप 1-2 महीने का ब्रेक ले लेते हो, it's like you lose the timetable that you're following, so you don't focus on studies that much. Obviously फिर 10th के बाद पार्टीज वार्टीज होती हैं, थोड़ा फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर होता है कि बोर्ड पास कर लिया हमने. Obviously that is, I won't say कि I have not done that, I have done that as well, but उसके साथ साथ स्टडीज़ अगर करते रहोगे तो बेटर रहेगा. तो 11th is the best time to study for CLAT because you get quite a long time to focus on CLAT. 11th में आप obviously academics में थोड़ा ध्यान दे लो, 12th के अंदर आप CLAT पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे दो, बट आपका फाउंडेशन रेडी हो जाता है in 11th, so you're ready for the exam in 12th. So I think 11th is the best time to start for CLAT.
अगर आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन दोबारा शुरू करनी हो तो क्या आप लाइफशिप एकेडमी को चुनोगे और क्यों?
सर लाइफशिप एकेडमी को तो आप चूज़ करूँगा ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज अगेन इस इधर बच्चों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग प्रॉफिट्स, एज माई फ्रेंड से। ये बच्चों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं एंड देयर रिजल्ट फोकस, रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड। वहाँ ऐसा नहीं, एंड द स्मॉल बैच साइज ऑब्वियसली हेल्प्स अ लॉट। 40-50 बच्चों के बीच में आप नहीं बैठ रहे हो, दैट फॉस्टर्स कॉम्पिटिशन ऑब्वियसली, बट टीचर्स कांट फोकस ऑन ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल पर्सनली। सो आई थिंक अ स्मॉल बैच साइज इज़ बेटर। एंड ऑब्वियसली लाइफ शिल्प अकेडमी में टीचर्स तो हैं ही बहुत अच्छे, इतना अच्छा स्कोर मतलब आ गया है, क्रेडिट दैट टू देम, कम्प्लीटली टू देम। एंड मॉक्स वगैरह आपको मोटिवेशन काफ़ी मिलता है टीचर्स से, तो दिस इज़ I choose Life Shilp Academy again.
Thank you, Vivan, for choosing Life Shilp Academy again and for the first time also. And जैसा हमने प्रॉमिस करा था कि अगर आप टॉप रैंकर में आते हो, टॉप रैंक आपका आता है, तो हम आपको एक गिफ्ट देंगे जो कि आपके एकेडमिक जर्नी में आपके बहुत काम आएगा। सो ये है आपके लिए iPad 11th जनरेशन